let's make some legume for meal prep. Before y'all start, it is not the original recipe. It is just a meal prep version. Please, I cut up some chuck roast into little pieces, and then I just cleaned it up, added my hot water, and then afterwards I added in my épice mixture, and I also mixed in some Kinder's prime steak seasoning. Then I let that steam. Afterwards I put in my little pima as well as some water, and I let that cook. While that's cooking, I cut up my eggplant. I cut it pretty thin because I'm not gonna mash it like we normally would. And then I added that on top. No militon in this recipe. I added in some cabbage, also sliced it really thin, threw that on top as well. Afterwards, once that was cooked down a little bit, I threw in some carrots, and then of course some spinach, and then a little bit of tomato paste so it had that nice low color, and then just let it cook down. And that was pretty much it. Very easy, simple, one pot. All right, and then once it's cooked down, it's gonna look like this. And I paired that with some dupe that I made with some lentils, and that was it. Serve it up and enjoy.